Hello, hello. I want to show you how you can make a shape like this in Tinkercad. So I started with this new Revolve sketch tool. So let's put this on our work plane. And let me go just hide this one. We can go back and say finish sketch and we can always come back. Let me hide this for now. You can click on this object and open this and go edit sketch. So what I did, I drew something like this. And then if you double click twice, all of the points will become kind of smooth points. And then you can create a shape like this. Let's click finish sketch. Now you have something like this. What I did, I brought a cube here and then aligned the two using the align tool. Make the cube smaller so that I can create a shape that looks nice. You can select the two and make them like, if you click this, the center ones, they will align. And what I did, you can bring your shape up using this arrow right here. And if you press D, it will sit on your work plane. Okay, let's try this. If we select both objects, we can go create a group, union group. Let's do this and look at our options. We have this option here, intersect. So you can make an interesting shape like this using this new intersect, like grouping thing that we have in Tinkercad. This one, intersect group. And then let's duplicate this. If you click this or Control D, it will duplicate. And then you can move it to a side. What I did to create the shape that I showed you in the beginning, I just duplicated this another time and then moved it a little bit closer. So I was looking at the intersection of these two shapes. Let's see how it will look. Select the two, go group them and use the intersect again. See now it created a little bit of sharper shape, like the pointier shape in the side. And you can play with the shape that you create. Look at this, like the top of this was a circle. Now this shape that I have looks a little bit more interesting, right? And then this piece that you have, you can just duplicate, move a few times, like with the arrow key on your keyboard, and rotate a little bit. Maybe move and rotate a little bit, and let's zoom out by scrolling by the scroll button of the mouse. And then if you click this, it will repeat the shape. Like it will repeat whatever we have done previously. Here is our shape. And then if we select everything and group, it will become one shape. Is it one shape? Yes. Okay, this is how you can make something like this in Tinkercad. Just play with the shapes and see what you can make, because kind of it's hard to imagine what you can create if you haven't tried it. So just play with intersection, duplicate it, and then yeah, just combine shapes and see what you can make. Maybe you will come up with a cool idea. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will post more videos. See you next time.